Hi everyone, my name is Trisha Kumar of Sundarajan. Today I would like to discuss about the Gauss Jordan method part 2. So let's start now. Okay, for the question asking about the solve the system of equation by using the Gauss Jordan method. Okay, so these are the equation by using the Gauss Jordan method. Okay, for the solution asking about the normalize the first and third equation by dividing it by 2. Okay, so this all of the first, okay, this is first and third equation need to divide by 2. Okay, so the result is, okay, so x1 plus 2x2 minus 3x3, yeah, equal to -4. Okay, so x1 plus 3x2 plus x3 equal to 10, and the last equation is x1 minus, okay, 4, sorry, x1 minus, okay, 2x2 minus 2x2 minus x3 equal to -6. Okay, so these are the anomalies lah, yeah. So already divided by 2 with the first and third equation, yeah. Okay, um now it can be written in the following matrix. Okay, matrix form. AX, sorry, matrix form is AX equal to B. Okay, AX equal to B. Okay, so where A equal to, so what? Very simple. Okay, 1, 2, -3. 1, 3, 1, and the last row is 1, -2, -1. Yeah, 1, -1. Okay, and the next one, x equal to, for what? x1, x2, and x3. Yeah, and b is, so what? -4, 10, -6. Yeah, so these are the solution lah. So this is what can be written in the following matrix. Yeah, so these are the matrix. So A is going to be like this. Okay, so argument matrix for this can be, okay, very simple. Okay, C group for what? So A or B. Okay, A and B. A is the first column, B is the second column, like this. Okay, okay, so 1, 2, -3. Okay, 1, 3, 1, and 1, -2, -2, and -1. Okay, and the second column is -4, 10, and -6. Okay, now let's do row operation to eliminate x1 from second and third row. Okay, R2, okay, if R2, then R2 minus R1. Yeah, and if R3, then third row minus and first row. R3 means for third row and R1 is the first row. Like this one lah. So first row, second row, and third row. Yeah. Okay, so let's do now. Okay, let's do the row operation. Okay, C equal to for what? Okay, okay, first row, leave it for the first row lah. Just leave it for first row, and let's look for the second row. Okay, R2 is for what? So 1, 1. 1 minus 1, 0. Okay, so 0, 3 minus 2, so 1. So 1 plus 3 is 4. Yeah, complete 4. So 1 minus 1, 0. Okay, -2 minus 2, -4. -4, and next one, -1, -1. Negative, oh sorry, -1 plus 3 equal to 2. Yes, and the 2. Okay, as for the second column, just write this one last for -4. Okay. Yes. Okay, so -4. Okay, so 10, so is 14. Okay, 40, and the third row is one. -6. Oh. Okay, so -2. Yeah. So simple, you just calculate this one. Okay. Again apply now. Okay, we need to again apply row operation. Again apply row operation. Is okay, so let's for the first row. Okay, if first row, then R1 minus 2R2. Okay, 2R2 second row, and third row, if third row, then okay, so R3 plus 4R2. So that is okay. Okay, so okay, we need to do for row operation. Okay, so next one. Okay, so 1 minus 2. Okay, so 1 minus 2. Okay, 1. Okay, so 1. 1 is so 2 minus 2 up. Okay, 0. Yeah, 0. And the third one is 3 minus 2. Okay, so third row is okay. The third number is in the first row is -11. Okay. Okay. As for the second column, so -4 minus 2. Yeah, so -32. -32. Okay, so as for the second column, we just write the second column. I will ask to calculate for the second row, right? Okay, just write the second column. Just write the whole second row. Yeah, 0, 1, 4, and 40. Okay, as for the third column, okay, the third column is so 3 plus 4. Okay, 0. Yeah, 0, and then it's 4 plus 4. Okay, 0. Okay, so after 2 plus 4. Okay, 18. Yeah, as for the second column, and the second column 2 plus 4, 14. 54. Yeah, 54. Okay, so as for the R3, for R3 is divided by 18. Yes, divided by 18. So let's column. Okay, C equal to forward. So we just write the first and second row lah. Yeah. So 1 0 1 0 1 4 -32 and 14 in the third column. Okay, 0 0 1 3. Yeah, So we need to apply now operation. Okay, we need to again the row operation. We need to apply row operation. Yes. So R1, if R1, then okay. So R1 plus 11 R3. If R2, then R2 minus 4 R3. Okay. So C is what? Okay. C is okay. 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. Okay, so C is for what? 0, 0, 1 and 3. Yeah. Okay, so R1 plus 11. Okay, 1. 1, 1. Okay, so next one. R1 0 plus 11. Okay, 0, and the next one negative 11 plus 11. R3 is 1. 0, yeah. And the second column, okay, sorry, as for the second row, okay, as for the second row is, okay, so R2 0 minus 4 0, yeah, 0. And the second one 1 minus 4 R3, okay, 1. And the next one 0, yeah. Okay, so as for the next column, okay, 1. Okay, so 1, okay, 1, and the second row, and the second row, and the second row and the second column is, okay, yeah, second column is 2. Okay, so these are the answer lah. Yeah, so okay, so these are the final answer. So this is the final answer that I already solved the system by using the Gauss theorem method. So this is the final answer. So 1 1 1 like this. So 1 2 3 like yeah. Okay. So C is for what? So 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1, and the second column 1 2 3. Yeah. So is x1 equal to 1, x1 equal to 1. Okay. x2 equal to 2 and x3 equal to 3. Yes, so this is a final answer. So anyway, please take note certainly. Okay, so these are the homework problem. For the question asking about the solve the system of equation using Gauss theorem method. So these are the system of equation. So by using the Gauss theorem method. So I give you the example one that I will do for answers. So anyway, so please take note certainly. So these are the examples. So we need to give for homework problem. Yeah. As for the final answer is x1 y x1 x equal to 1 and y equal to 1 and z equal to 1. So these are the final answers. Yeah. So anyway, please take note certainly. Yeah. Let's move on. And this one, and this one, and this one. And this one. So this is a final answer. So X equal to 1, Y equal to 1, and Z equal to 1 is the solution. Yeah. Okay, that's all for now. So anyway, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much and goodbye.